Hello and welcome back to the Daily Eco. Today we present our top 10 cacti recommendations for indoor home decor. Bunny Ears Cactus. This unique cactus features colorful hairs in shades of white, yellow or pink. Care should be taken as these hairs are easily detachable. It typically grows up to a maximum height of half a meter. However, smaller specimens starting from around 10 centimeters can be used as charming decorations for desks or shelves. It's important to place them near a bright window to ensure optimal growth. Mammillaria Cactus. These eye-catching cylindrical cacti produce crowns of small flowers in a variety of colors. Covered in thorns that resemble hairs, they make a striking addition to indoor spaces. Indirect light is recommended to promote flower development, and watering should only be done once a week. Star plant. This plant gets its name from its globular shape with edges that resemble a star, typically with 3 to 5 sides. It prefers partial shade, making it ideal for indoor cultivation. Place it near a window that receives a few hours of light daily. This cactus is relatively small, typically growing between 10 and 20 centimeters in diameter. Golden Barrel Cactus. This cactus has a rounded shape with a flat top and lots of yellow thorns. It can grow up to 1 meter tall. However, because it grows slowly, it's perfect for indoor spaces that have a good lighting. When it's young, it needs some shade, so it's a great option for indoor cultivation. Old Man Cactus. The cylindrical cactus earns its peculiar name from the long, white hairs that cover its surface. While it can grow up to an impressive 50 meters in height, it can be enjoyed indoors during its juvenile stage. Its slow growth rate allows for several years of indoor enjoyment. But before we continue, let us put you to the test. Do you know how long a cactus can live? 50 years, 150 years, 250 years. All of the above are correct. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. Christmas Cactus. Also called the crab cactus, this special plant has long hanging stems that look really beautiful. When it blooms, it produces gorgeous flowers in pink, red or white colors that stay fresh for a few days. What makes this cactus unique is that it grows on the trunks of other trees instead of in the ground like most cacti do. Orchid Cactus. This cactus looks like an orchid and has long, thin stems that grow on other plants. It has pretty white or pink flowers that make it look even more beautiful, and it even produces fruits that you can eat. It prefers shady areas, so keeping it indoors will give it the best conditions to grow. Ariocarpus. One fascinating type of cactus that doesn't have thorns and can be grown indoors is the Ariocarpus species from Mexico. These cacti have a distinctive shape with stacked tubers that point in different directions. At the top of the plant, you'll find big, beautiful flowers in pink or white colors. Matucana Cactus. This cactus has a spherical shape and a dull grayish-green color, with a few long spines and a striking red tubular flower. It can grow well indoors if placed near a window or provided with artificial light to stimulate growth. Its low growth rate makes it a perfect desk plant and requires minimal watering, making it very easy to maintain. The Blue Myrtle-Cactus. Immerse yourself in the beauty of this impressive indoor cactus. Thriving in semi-shade, it's important to avoid direct light to prevent spotting. What sets this cactus apart is its delightful, sweet fruit, which serves as a foundation for numerous edible products in Mexico. And now, going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? The correct answer is C. The lifespan of a cactus can vary depending on the species and the care it receives, but some can live an astonishing 2.5 centuries. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments which of these captivating cacti will find a home in your abode. Until next time.